Spain is located at the border between Europe and Africa. The warm summers and mild winters make traditional preservation methods unable to meet the demands. The development of the economy has led to the increased importance of food and drug preservation. The Kemolo freeze-drying machine has become the market leader due to its economic efficiency. It can handle everything from hand-drying of olives and grapes to processing of tomatoes and oranges, and is highly sought after in the market. Spain has a rich agricultural and tourism industry. Household freeze-drying machines turn seasonal fruits into easy-to-store snacks, while industrial large-scale freeze-drying machines extend the shelf life of citrus slices and other products in agricultural exports. The pharmaceutical industry also requires it to ensure the high-temperature stability of medicines. The Kemolo dryer has a high cost-performance ratio in the Spanish market. Its price is much lower than that of similar products in Europe and America. Moreover, its design is energy efficient and aligns with the local sustainable economic development. If you want to purchase a freeze-drying equipment in Spain, please contact us.